Don't interrupt me.
Please don't interrupt me.
Excuse me, sir. Don't interrupt me.
Don't interrupt me anymore.
Shame on you.
Shame on you.
Shame on you.
Shame on you.
Don't make waves.
Don't patronize me.
Don't patronize me.
It's up to me. I can leave you anytime. It's up to me. I can leave you anytime.
You crack me up.
You crack me up.
You crack me up.
Yo, you crack me up.
Stop acting like a child!
Stop acting like a child.
Stop acting like a child?
Yeah, when pigs fly.
Right, when pigs fly.
When pigs fly.
When pigs fly.
It's ineffable. It's ineffable. It's ineffable.
Come again?
Come again?
Come again.
Come again?
My lips are sealed.
My lips are sealed.
My lips are sealed.
My lips are sealed.
Are you trying to bribe me? Are you trying to bribe me?
Yeah, he says you're a poser.
You're the poser, not me.
You're a total poser.
You're such a poser.
You are a cad. You are a cad.
Oh, the day is young.
Okay, well, the day is young.
And the day is still young.
Not yet, but the day is young.
My patience is wearing thin. My patience is wearing thin. My patience is wearing thin.
No ifs, ands, or buts. No ifs, ands, or buts. No ifs, ands.
Okay, all clear.
It's fucked up.
I knew it.
Go fly a kite. Go fly a kite.
Have you no pride in yourself? In your...
Don't piss me off, Greg.
And you don't piss me off.
Don't piss me off.
Don't piss me off.
There is no need.
There is no need.
Winner, winner, chicken dinner.
Oh, winner, winner, chicken dinner.
Winner, winner, chicken dinner.
What about winner, winner, chicken dinner?
Yeah. This is unfair.
This is unfair.
But this is unfair, okay?
This is so unfair.
So what is the holdup?
What's the holdup?
What's the holdup?
What?
So what's the holdup?
Okay, sorry to bother you.
Sorry to bother you.
No bother.
Sorry to bother you.
Hi, sorry to bother you.
Too little, too late, huh? Too little, too late, huh? Too little, too late, huh?
He missed the boat, George. He missed the boat, George. He missed the boat, George.
That ship has sailed, boy. That ship has sailed, boy.
That ship has sailed, boy. Sorry.